Okay, in order to solve two-step equations, you want to take your finger and cover up the letter and whatever is attached to it. So if you take your finger and cover up the 2D, it tells you what you need to get rid of, and you always get rid of things by doing opposites. So the opposite of positive 7 is negative 7, so I'm going to subtract 7 on both sides. Oops. So you bring down the 2D, opposites cancel, bring down the equal, and 9 take away 7 is 2. Now this is 2 times d, so the opposite of times is divide, so you're going to divide both sides by 2. With a fraction, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so you have d equals, and again, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so d equals 1. So on the next one, you cover up the letter. The opposite of positive 5 is negative 5, so you're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So then 11 take away 5 is 6. Bring down the equal, bring down the 3z. Opposites cancel. This is 3 times z, so the opposite of times is divide. So I divide both sides by 3. Sorry about that. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Bring down the equals. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you just have 1z there. So 2 equals z is the answer. On the next one, cover up the 2s. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. And you're covering them up with your finger, so that's why I'm erasing them. Okay, so bring down the 2s. Opposites cancel. Bring down the equal. 6 plus 4 is 10. That's 2 times s. The opposite of times is divide, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I have an s equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. S equals 5. The next one, take your finger and cover up the letter. We have to get rid of a positive 8. The opposite of positive 8 is negative 8, so I'm going to put a negative 8 on both sides. Now a negative and a minus, you guys, are the same thing. So a negative 12 and a negative 8 is a negative 20 equals, bring down your 5r, opposites cancel. That's 5 times r, so the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. The opposites cancel r. The opposite operations cancel. Okay, the next one. We have to get rid of a negative 3. The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Bring down the negative 6p. Addition and subtraction cancel. 9 plus 3 is 12. This is negative 6 times p. The opposite of times is divide, so I divide both sides by negative 6. P equals 12 divided by negative 6 is negative 2. Take your finger and cover up the letter. Got to get rid of a negative 2. The opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. Put that on both sides. So negative 14 plus 2, that's like saying 2 take away 14, is negative 12 equals, bring down the 4x, opposites cancel. This is 4 times x, so the opposite of times is divide. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3 equals x.